Okay, welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today. What I have is the King's wireless fridge thermometer. So I installed the fridge, working great, but the way I've set it up does make it quite difficult to first of all make sure the power's on and then also what temperature it is running. So 20 bucks, thought I'd just do a quick unboxing, get it installed and see if it's any good. For 20 bucks, couldn't go wrong, thought I'd give it a go. From what I can see, you put one unit in the actual fridge, then you set up the receiver in your cab, and then it kind of keeps, you know, a real-time update on the temperature of the fridge. So, once again, no frill, King's packaging. So, we'll open her up, see what we get. Okay, little display. Looks like the unit that sits inside the fridge. And some instructions, so that's it. Looks like that takes two AAAs and two AAAs on that. So what I'll do, throw some batteries in it and then let's try putting it in the fridge. Okay, so we'll just throw these batteries in. Little red light on there. Okay, that's in. Just throw on a cable tie around that and just going to attach that to the basket. Okay, that's attached. Now grab the receiver and let's see if that temperature starts dropping, and we'll see what happens. At the moment it's still reading 27.8 and the fridge is on, so it should be a lot lower. Just set that up there. Okay, we're getting there, slowly coming down. What I'm going to do is just leave this running and we'll check it again tomorrow morning and see what temperature we're running. But definitely not a quick process with the temperature dropping down. But yeah, like I say, I'll check it in the morning. Okay, so I've had it set up for around 48 hours now and it seems to be working okay. It took quite a while for the temperature to drop, so I just left it overnight and now it's reading, well, the fridge is apparently at 1.4 degrees. Over the last 24 hours it's ranged between minus 1.4 and 5.7 degrees. So I'm not sure exactly how accurate it is, but at least it gives you an idea that the fridge is still cold and your food's not going to spoil. So what I would like to see on the unit is a on and off switch. With these ones, there's no way to turn it off. You actually have to take the battery out. I don't know how long the battery is going to last, so I'm just going to leave it on and keep it running. But it would be handy if you're not using the fridge. You can just flick this off as well as the one in the fridge, but unfortunately there doesn't have one of those built in. But yeah, for 20 bucks, for me, it seems like, I don't know, money well spent just to know to get an indication of what your fridge is running at. So that will just sit there in the cab with me and we can keep an eye on it. Just a short video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got something out of it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. See you in the next video. So I thought I'd just do a quick update on the wireless thermometer. For the price and kind of the usability is, yeah, it's fine. What I've noticed, I have been able to monitor the temperature of the fridge and then kind of adjust accordingly. I'm still trying to nail down what the perfect temperature is to keep things cold but not too cold. So as you can see, I've gone from minus 3.9 to 6.4 degrees, but that's due to me playing around with my fridge temp. So just trying to get it, I'm wanting it to sit just above it, around 1 degree, but now I'm down to 3.9, so I'll put it up 1 and to see if I can get that kind of constant temperature. But yeah, gives you kind of an indication what the fridge is doing, and at least you know things, or your food, your beers, your bait is cold.